Well, Deb?
Well, Dave?
8 time.
Oh, today. It's Wednesday, August 31st. David is up on the roof trying to effect a little repair because there seems to be a little section that's leaking, and unfortunately it leaks in a little bin storage area where I have some of my clothes stored, so they got all wet with the rains a couple of days ago. So we tried patching it the other day with what?
Put some Flex Seal on it.
Flex Seal.
And, some aluminum tape, but that didn't work out. The rubber on the roof started bubbling up. The wind was catching it, so we put down aluminum planks. They're like 3 by 5, put down 2 of them that covers the whole area, and we screwed them down. And now I'm putting the final screws in. We'll seal the screw holes and seal the edges. And we'll check back after another day's travel and see how this holds up. But I think this will be just fine.
Good, good. And we are staying in the campground called Glowing Embers. It is in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And it's in a grove of poplar trees. Very nice, lots of RVs, very nice bathroom. Pay showers though. It takes loonies. One loonie gets you 5 minutes. But nice trees, nice shade. David was up on the roof in the sun, but at Home Depot, but we figured we'd bring it home here so that he could do it in the shade of the afternoon. See all the trees out here, the business right over here, a business district. The highway is about half a mile to the left. I'm going to refrain from singing along. See you next time.